Introducing the Bellavita bath lift from Drive Medical for a true bathing experience. The therapeutic value of a good hot bath is recognized by most of us. Relaxing in a bath is a perfect way to forget the stresses of everyday life, gently easing away any aches and pains. There is no doubt that a simple bath is one of life's little pleasures, but for many, getting in and out of the bath is not that easy. If for any number of reasons you or a member of your family finds accessing a bath difficult, the Bellavita bath lift could help you enjoy a good hot bath with confidence once again. The Bellavita has been developed to be the #1 bath lift in the UK marketplace at a very affordable price. It has several features that will help make your bathing simple, enjoyable and worry-free. The Bellavita has been ergonomically designed to provide greater comfort and safety to the user. Its modern appearance and design will make it look at home in all bathroom environments. It comes with machine washable covers as standard and are available in white, blue or grey. This bath lift reaches a record seat height of 48 centimeters, so if you have a deeper bath, there is no need for special height adapters. The color-coded handset is very lightweight, user-friendly, and features a quick charge time. If you drop it in the bath, don't worry, it floats and is fully waterproof. The Bellavita lowers to only 6 centimeters and reclines to a market-leading 50 degrees. This ensures that you can enjoy a great soak, a true bathing experience. Installing the Bellavita in your bath could not be easier. Its 2 lightweight sections can be assembled in seconds as seen in the footage. It does not require any plumbing or electrical installation. Simply plug in the handset and you're ready to go. It was developed with the user in mind, hence is very simple to operate. It is just as easy to dismantle, and its slimline profile is great for storage and transportation. The Bellavita is the lightest on the market, making transportation very easy. This has proved very popular for those who want to take it away on trips or holidays. This particular model includes a built-in safety mechanism. It will not lower the bath lift unless there is sufficient charge to raise it up. For your peace of mind, the Bellavita comes with a lifetime guarantee on the frame and motor. And remember, the Bellavita lowers to only 6 centimeters and reclines to a market-leading 50 degrees. This ensures that you can enjoy a great soak.